I did that. Let's do that again. See, nasty, nasty.
Alright, I gotta go talk to my dog.
Alright, no problem, man. Thanks. Make it nice and pretty. Look at that. A vapor blaster is worth it. Let's shoot that area right there so you can see how grimy before. Like new. Shiny. Nah, it'll buff out. I think I'll have to pull the studs out and replace them. Ooh. Yeah, it probably got dropped.
Yeah.
But shiny.
Copper.
Was. I blew the copper coating right off it. Good thing is I won't end up buffing all these out, so it won't matter. But from where it was to there is a night and day difference. It's amazing though, that would not pull this. Holy no, I see why it won't.
Yeah. Stock one over there?
Yeah, and then the aftermarket in there. It's probably been rebuilt.
How bad is it?
Unfortunately, I'm going to push them out anyway.
Why does that spring look like it's compressed?
Because it's upside down.
This one?
Because it's upside down.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, when you put them the other way, the spring taper's different on one side. That'll do it though.
Oh, I've got something for you.
Gotta have one. What is this? Vapor Hone Technologies. If you have a friend that has one, use it.